This tour takes you into the heart of La Palma to visit the island's spectacular volcanic crater, which is a designated national park. You'll begin by visiting a small whitewashed church, where you'll find the island's most sacred icon, the Virgin Mary of the Snows. Heading towards the national park, you'll experience some dramatic views as you travel along high mountain roads. La Caldera de Talbrenti is a vast volcanic crater that measures 5 miles wide. Here you'll have the option of taking a guided tour to learn a little more about this natural wonder. Or if you prefer, simply relax and take in the magnificent views.